Okay, what's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we have a new project, this Audi S4. Let's do it. Alright guys, we have this Audi S4. It's very nice. You can see the badge. So this one we're gonna do it in a satin black. So it's gonna be black again, but we're gonna black out everything. All the chrome is gonna be black, and the gloss black is gonna be satin black, this like this. So it's very nice. This one is supercharged, okay? You can see it there, has already black wheels, so all the silver is gonna be gloss black. All right, so the customer, he brought a new bumper. I think this is like more like a race look bumper, so we are not gonna put the bumper okay, because he still is waiting for the black grill and all those pieces. So we're gonna wrap everything, but the only thing we're not gonna see wrap is this front bumper, because that one is gonna be the one we're gonna wrap, but he's gonna take it to his house. Okay, we're not gonna start that, but the rest we're gonna wrap it but still it's gonna look amazing. So let's continue with the installation. Let's do it. Alright guys, you can see it there. It looks super nice. This is 3M Satin Black. You can see there the finish. I still have to clean some of my fingerprints, but you can see it. Looks very nice. I cover all the silver, even this I cover it, chrome delete they call it. So now it looks nice. The only thing is the bumper, the front bumper. I already wrapped the other. It's a different one, but he's waiting. The owner is waiting for a black grill and black inserts. Okay, so he's gonna do that himself. But you can see it. It looks super nice. It looks great. It's like a moderate look. I think that's the way they call it. I think it looks very nice. This side too, all black. There's no chrome, nothing. You can see it, no chrome. The only thing is the front bumper, but he's gonna replace that, the front bumper, with a black grill and black insert for the sides. So it's gonna look more crazy and nice. You can see it. Yeah, looks nice. Alright, let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, this is the Audi S4. I think it's a 2014 model. It looks great. It's a 3M Satin Black. All black, everything black, and chrome delete. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. Remember, all the links, materials on the description of the video. You have a question, a comment, put in the comments. And if you like the video, please like the video. That helps a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.